Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be showing you what SuuntoPlus is and what it does for you with regards to the Suunto Vertical watch. So SuuntoPlus are basically a bunch of different apps that are available in the Suunto app that you can install or uninstall, and they can become available for certain activities on the watch so that when you're doing that activity you have basically an enhanced app that you can use to either help with the activity or give you extra data and analytics. I'm going to show you an example here. I'm going to press the up button and we're going to go to, let's go to golf for example. If I press the middle button like I was going to go do a golf activity, before I go into it I can press the down button and you're going to see a section called SuuntoPlus. You'll see this on every activity. Now what you see as your options will vary per activity. So for example, when I go under SuuntoPlus for the golf activity, I've got all these things: training peaks, weather forecast. Now if there's some of these that you know you'll absolutely never use, you can uninstall them from your watch so you don't see them. But for example, with golf, you have a SuuntoPlus app called Strokes and Distance that you can track your score as well as the distance from your last shot. So that's what SuuntoPlus apps do for you. I'll go to show you a different one. Let's go look at tennis. Different activity. When I go to SuuntoPlus, we're going to see some of the same things we saw before. Again, training peaks, weather, but we won't see strokes and distance like we saw with golf. Instead, with tennis, we see keep count of scores. So it's a scorekeeper for when you're doing the tennis activity. Really cool add-on apps that you can add to your activity. The one complaint I have, that if somebody from Suunto happens to ever see this, is for the hunting activity. When you go to SuuntoPlus, I wish they would bring back the Hunt and Fish Time app that they used to have on the Traverse Alpha Stealth watch. You'll notice when I go down here, there's really nothing other than your basic Plus apps. No Hunt and Fish Times. But go into your activity, go down to SuuntoPlus, turn on whatever SuuntoPlus apps you want, go do the activity. When you do the activity, I'm just going to go back and we'll start the golf activity just so you can see it. I'm going to go to SuuntoPlus, and for this one, let's turn on weather, and let's make sure that score is on. Good. Now I'm going to go start the activity. When I press this middle button, or if I use touchscreen and swipe over, here's my golf score in strokes that we saw before. So that's what the SuuntoPlus app is. This is the app that we have downloaded, and that's what it looks like for this given activity. And then here's the weather, again from the SuuntoPlus apps that I turned on, and because I turned it on, it's part of this activity. So go play with it, go check it out. That's what the SuuntoPlus apps are on the Suunto Vertical watch. Hope the video helped.